elements. Optical microscope, often referred to as the light microscope, that uses visible light and a system of lenses to magnify the image of small objects. Basically, there are two types of microscope. First is simple microscope and the second one is compound microscope. First, we are going to discuss about the simple microscope here. The simple microscope is that microscope which uses a single lens for its magnification, such as magnifying glass. It uses a lens which is actually a convex lens to enlarge the object through angular magnification. It alone gives the viewer an erect, enlarged, and virtual image. The principle on which the simple microscope works is that when an object is placed within its focus, a virtual, erect, and magnified image of the object is formed at the least distance of distant vision from the eye when held close to the lens. Now, the magnification of simple microscope is basically given by the equation, which is m is equals to 1 plus d by f, where d refers to the least distance of distinct vision and f refers to the focal length of convex lens. Now, we are going to discuss the applications of simple microscope, that where simple microscope are used. It is basically used for the microscopic alga, fungi, and biological specimen study. It is also used by watchmakers to see the magnified view of small parts of the watch. Also used by the jewelers to see the magnified view of fine parts of the jewelry. It is also used by skin specialists to find out various diseases of the skin. Now, I would like to hand over the further presentation to Dishita Khurana.
Thank you, Gunjan. Now the next topic is compound microscope. So the compound microscope refers to the microscope having more than one lens. It is devised with a system of combination of lenses which consists of two optical parts, namely the objective lens and the eye or the ocular lens. Now let's know the magnification of a compound microscope. So the magnification of compound microscope can be given by the formula, which is m is equals to d upon f naught into L upon fe, where d is the least distance of eye vision, which is 25 centimeter, and L is the length of microscope. So the applications of compound microscope are as follows. It is used in pathology labs to identify disease. It is used in various crime detection paths. Presence or absence of minerals and metals can be found with the use of compound microscope, and it also helps us to see the bacterial world. Now I would like to hand over the further PPT to Ravi Meena.
Telescope. Next. Telescope, a device that makes distant objects appear too close. The Galileo made the telescope famous. He was the first to see the sunspot stars, rings, and the four large moons of Jupiter. I would like to further PPT Mehul Mishra.
Minal will speak.
Now, telescope.
Now, what is the purpose of telescope? To gather electromagnetic radiation in the form of visible light. It magnifies the image so we can see that image more clearly, and it enlarges the image for detailed observation. Functions of telescope. Telescope make objects appear larger. This is called magnification. The magnification is the focal length of the primary mirror divided by the focal length of eyepiece. A common misconception is that magnification is the most important factor determining the quality of telescope's image. Actually, the light gathering and resolving power of telescope are much more important. As the magnification can be changed by electromagnetic radiation, telescope have maximum useful electromagnetic radiation, energy that can travel through space in the form of wave. Example of forms of radiations are visible light, that is, radiation you can see, infrared, feel as heat, and radio waves. Next. Range from long wavelength radio waves to short wavelength gamma rays, as you can see in the diagram. Now, I will call upon Mehul Mishra for further PPT presentation.
Now, different type of telescope. Types of telescope. So, instruments that collect and focus light and other form of electromagnetic radiations are telescopes. There are generally two types of telescope, optical telescope and non-optical telescope. Optical telescope uses lenses or mirror to collect and focus visible light. It is broadly classified into two types, refracting and reflecting telescope. Non-optical telescope. It uses other form of electromagnetic radiation such as radio waves, X-rays and gamma rays. Refracting telescope. Refracting telescope uses convex lenses to gather and focus light. Convex lens is a curved piece of glass that is thicker in the middle and than the edges. The larger the lens, the more the light the telescope can collect. Simple refracting telescope has two lenses, the objective lens and the eyepiece. Yerkes telescope in Wisconsin is the largest refracting telescope. Reflecting telescope. Isaac Newton built the first reflecting telescope in 1668. He uses a curved mirror to collect and focus light. The larger the mirror, the more the light the refracting telescope can collect. Largest optical telescope today is reflecting telescope. Radio telescope, the device that used to detect radio waves from other objects in space are radio telescope. Most have curved reflecting surface that focus radio waves the way the mirror does in reflecting telescope. Radio telescope concentrate the faint radio signals onto small antennas like those on radios. Example of radio telescope are the Very Large Array and Arecibo. Now the other telescope will explained by Ayan Sharma.
Other telescopes: infrared, Spitzer Space Telescope; ultraviolet X-rays, Chandra X-ray Observatory; gamma rays, Hubble Space Telescope detects visible, ultraviolet and infrared. Next. Thank you.
अभी और रह गई क्या?
Sir,
हाँ बोलिए।
No, sir.
सबकी हो गई?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
किस किसने दी थी आज ये? मेरे को एक तो दिसीदा थी, एक गुंजन, एक
Yes,
मेहुल
sir.
और
Mehul, Ayan,
आयान भी था।
Ravi. Yes, sir. Ravi और मीनल.
एक मिनट, आयान शर्मा
Yes, sir.
और कौन था? मीनल।
Yes, sir. मीनल और रवि. रवि मीणा.
अच्छा रवि। ओके। रवि मीना। 6 स्टूडेंट्स थे। 1 2 3 4 5 6। और ये उस दिन जो आयशा और ये अक्षिता में जो रह गए थे वो है क्या उनकी प्रीमियर अभी आज? आए क्या वो लोग? यस और नो?
No, sir.